Oh my god.
Hi guys, Danilo everything here, and today Danilo Kuya is gonna go and find some diamonds in a ravine.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I just burned the chicken. Oh my god, it's nighttime. I have to go to bed.
No, don't fall asleep. You can stay up until the mobs kill you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll go and chat with you on text.
Okay.
Anyway, remember Danilo, at 9 minutes, showtime.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm about to go in the ravine. Okay. Oh, the ravine. Okay. Where's the water? Okay, water right here. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, no, I'm about to, no, get out. Oh, no, I'm about to land in the lava. Okay, I got some torches with me, of course, torches. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, it's even a bigger ravine. I'm scared now. It's even a bigger. Dang. Go. Grab it. Okay. Grab it. Oh, please. Oh no, I'm scared if I'm not gonna make this jump. It's like a, but I'm the king of obstacle courses. I think I can do it. On Roblox, I'm the king. Okay. Go. Okay. Oh my god, I'm stuck on a. Whoa, there's a creeper down there. Okay. I'm still stuck in the spider web. Okay. Okay. Oh. Let me go up here. Let's see if I can find that. Diamonds. I swear, if a creeper just comes behind me, I'm gonna scream. A skeleton! Die. No, no. And this is why I hate Java Edition Minecraft. Oh, now I could just spectate the world. No, you have no home or charge respawn or another archer, or it was destructed. This is why I should have put it on survival. How did Sunday do this? It's like hard. My base was the best. Okay, now I'm gonna start Okay, now I love Minecraft, and I guess since I died on this one, so I'm gonna start a new series on the Xbox now. Okay.
Danilo, did you die?
Yeah.
Oh no, Danilo.
My God. How can I end this video? I don't see it. I know.
You didn't get to find diamonds.
I know. Oh, I can't end the video.
You can't?
No. I guess I'm just gonna sit here, just let it end at 15 minutes. I don't even know what number it is.
It's gonna be boring.
I know. Okay.
How long is your video?
I actually don't know. It doesn't even show the cancel.
Like, what do you have to press?
It just shows the button where to replay it or cancel it, and I did. And I don't see it. So what the heck?
Hey, did you lose the footage? Make sure that you didn't lose that footage.
No, I didn't. No, this is my private chat with my school friends, not fine. I'll let you guys see it for half of it. And it's cool.
Hey, Danilo.
Yeah.
How about, in the meantime, how about we play some Roblox?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do too.
What should we play? Scarlet and Friends, Theme Park Tycoon.
I want to do battleships.
I don't know. I want to do both, like Scarlet and Friends and the battleships. Which one is funner, driving choo-choo trains or driving ships?
Driving ships.
Okay, let's hit it.
Okay.
Let's go. Hopefully me and you are both on the same team. Okay, are you on?
Yeah, I'm on.
I'm gonna see what color I am. Ooh! Wait, Danilo.
Yeah.
I'm green, I'm green.
Oh.
What color are you, Nilo?
I'm color drawn. Can't. Blue Jay guy, Elijah Blue Jay guy just asked me, can you sub to my channel? That's what Blue Jay guy
He does
asked.
have a channel.
I know. I'm gonna sub to him. I'm gonna ask him something. Put, are you still? No. I'm gonna ask him. Do you still want to be in videos? Do you still want to be in videos? If he says yes, then
Let's join battleships.
okay. Now I'm in, and I'm Team Green with you.
You're Team Green?
Yeah.
Yay!
Go shoot.
I want to find you, Nilo.
I am at the. Is that you right there? That's you. That's you. Hi.
Hi. Give me a kissy. You died, and I died too.
I was shot and you were shot. Let's shot. Okay, I'm gonna shoot. Shoot. Ah!
I'm at the front of the ship.
I'm at the.
Yes, we're gonna collide. Boom.
Die. Oh my god. I just got blown up.
Hi, Nilo. You're right next to me. Oh, and you have blood out of your back. You're bleeding.
I'm drowning. Save me. Let me come on your boat. No, darn it. Can I make it? Can I make it up here? Can I make it? Can I go on the Emily's boat? Or no?
I don't think you can. I just exploded part of the ship.
Oh.
But Nilo.
Yeah.
You better look at the damage on the enemy ship. At the front of the enemy ship.
Oh my god, someone's on their ship. Die. I'm shooting you.
You're shooting me?
No, I'm not shooting the ship, sorry.
Oh, are you on the ship?
Yeah, I'm on this ship. Oh, someone here. Someone from the opposite team is here. Die. And of course, I got shot.
Do you know how to shoot the guns?
Yeah. Okay, I'm on the opposite team's boat.
Whoa. just exploded. Guys, I'm gonna do a video on my channel called Talking About Ships. So yeah, go and check it out.
Whoa.
And that video will be uploaded later today after my Bedrock edition.
Oh, where did I go? Ooh, aim up, aim up.
It's gonna be called Talking About Ships.
Yeah.
And learning about it. Hey. This is my gosh darn place, not yours. Sucker.
Go, go.
Wait, I'm getting pushed.
Go, 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 die. I got someone.
I'm gonna die.
We're colliding boats.
Who's gonna win?
Our team. Can I get up here? Oh, this is the SS Elijah. This is where you get the SS Elijah from the this battleship.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is where I got the SS Elijah from this game. I've been playing Roblox since 2nd grade.
I've been playing since though. I think I already said it in the video. I'm not saying it again. Oh, got him. This is our boat now. I got shot by, but I don't know his name.
Did you tell this blue guy to join?
He's not online.
Oh. Well, this ship has the most damage. I think ours has the most.
I feel like die 1-0 male. Oh, I got him.
I have a gun. Look at the top of the enemy ship. It's about to explode. And my head just flew off.
Oh my god, I'm killing a lot of people on here. I have 5 kills. How much kills do you have?
I have lots of kills.
Oh.
I have 10 kills.
Hey. Oh my god. Oh, I died.
I'm on the enemy ship. Die.
It still says I'm recording.
Oh wait, this ship is gonna sink. You better go on our ship or else it will count that our ship has sunk.
Which ship do we have to go to?
Our base.
Okay.
You have to stand right next to it, or yeah, it will count that we died. I mean, not we died. I mean, I've been playing this game way longer than you in like 3 videos.
I know. This is like my.
And I just exploded a lifeboat.
Oh.
Danilo, come on this lifeboat. I just exploded it. Whoa, it's like exploded.
Okay, I'm coming.
Never mind, I'm gonna die anyway.
Okay, I'm gonna go kill the other ship.
The other ship is gone.
Oh.
Because we hit it with millions of torpedoes like the Lusitania. We are the U-boats. We sunk the Lusitania. Just kidding, we didn't. You know who sunk the Lusitania? The Germans. So there's nothing to do with Americans.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I just killed someone. I just killed 2 people with my big exploding grenade gun.
Rocket launcher! Die on the lifeboat. Die. Die.
Are you on the lifeboat?
No, I'm shooting people that are on the lifeboat. The orange team.
Okay, I'm gonna jump on one. Danilo, don't explode this one.
Oh my god, I lost my arm.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my god, who's gonna win? Us or the enemy?